And it goes a little something like.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I am excited about today's video because I am going to be doing a little haul for you guys because I've bought a bunch of new stuff for my salon because I have a new employee starting, so I just wanted to get a bunch of stuff so that she knows exactly what products to use and that I have them available for her. So I'm gonna start with what I got on Amazon. So I got these new brushes. I got these facial brushes with an acrylic handle. Because honestly, I have these ones and, well, look at them. Can you even see? They're like all cracked. And I think it's because the wood, when it gets like wet, obviously kind of like breaks down. So I got plastic ones. So hopefully they stay like in better shape. And then I got lots of spoolies. I'll show you guys. Lots of them, and I got 2 of these because I need these for my brow waxes, but I also need them for my weddings. And then I got lots of sticks. Look at how many freaking sticks are in here. I think I got like the 500 or 1,000 pack, but yeah, I got lots of sticks. And then I got gauze. I got gauze for doing high frequency. I want to make sure these are the right gauze, but I got these for doing high frequency and just for like my facials in general. I think I got the wrong gauze. Well, I mean, these are fine. Whatever. It's not exactly the gauze I wanted to get, but that's okay. I wanted to get like the ones where it's like you can see through. These are more like an aesthetic wipe. That's fine. And then move on to the fun stuff. Oh, actually, I forgot. I got the Summer's Eve wipes for my Brazilians, and I got the gynecologist tested fragrance-free. But then I ordered a bunch of skincare. One of the things actually I got, I'll show you, is I got 2 of these, which is the Image Probiotic Yogurt Mask, and this one is amazing for impurities. And so I'm going to be doing this on my teen facials and people who have like acne skin, because this has Brazilian green clay in it, which is amazing for extracting impurities. So yeah, I got that one the other day. And then I also got 2 enzymes. So I got the coconut papaya and I got the blueberry enzyme from Skin Script. These are absolutely my favorite. The coconut is not as strong as the blueberry, so I got the coconut for my sensitive girls and guys. And then I got the blueberry for who needs a little more exfoliating to their skin. But yes, so I got those. And enzymes just dissolve the dead skin sitting on the surface. So yes, one is more stronger than the other. They're kind of like right above a chemical peel. So like you would do enzymes first and see how their skin reacts. And then if it reacts good, you can go into chemical peels. Another thing that I got for my facials, because I have right here, I'll show you guys. I have right here for my employee, it's like the description of the facials, and I wanted to make sure she had 2 good serums to use. I needed some more anyways, so I got the Ageless Skin Hydrating Serum and I got the Beta Carotene Pain Renewal. So I got these 2, which are amazing. One is more of an aging one, and one is good for more oily skin. So I got that. I got this raspberry refining scrub, which this smells amazing, you guys. Like, this is my favorite scrub. If you know anybody in the area who sells Skin Script, or I could including myself, on my website. This refining scrub is amazing. It's so good. I use it for all my facials that don't have an enzyme. So if my facial doesn't have an enzyme, I use this exfoliator, and it just smells so good. It has jojoba beads and blue cornmeal, which are really soft on the skin and aren't going to shred it up too much. And then I have been running out of my cream cleanser, which cream cleansers I use as a first cleanse. So in my facials, I use a cream cleanser, then I use a more foaming cleanser, and then I use an exfoliator, and then whatever, so on. So I've been kind of needing another cream cleanser. So I got the pomegranate antioxidant. I got the pomegranate antioxidant cleanser from SkinScript, and this one is not only amazing for sensitive skin, it's really good for aging skin, and it's really good for just like removing makeup as a first cleanse. It has jojoba oil in it and just so many good things. What else does it even have in it? Besides, I know it has jojoba oil, it has pomegranate extract, it has lemon peel oil. It's really just a nice, oh, it has aloe and grapeseed oil too. That's really good. So basically it just hydrates the skin as a first cleanse, and then my second cleanse gets in there and just cleanses you up, and then the exfoliator really exfoliates you. And what's awesome with SkinScript is they give me samples of like all the products that I buy, so then I don't know if I like run out or something, then I have like samples, which is nice, and then I just kind of keep them there, or if I'm feeling generous and I want people to keep up with their skincare routine, I give them a little sample. But so the last thing that I got for my spa is this really cute green blanket, and lately I've been trying to like stick with the sage colors and like, I don't know, doing more of like a light blue sage, and so I thought this would be really cute on my bed, just like right there, and it just looks really nice, kind of goes with the room and everything. So that is like my little haul, everything I got for my spa and for my employee, which I'm so excited for her to start. She's going to be starting June 1st. And if you guys want to see like a whole video on like how I got an employee and how I like set her up for everything, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys want to see something like that. But if you guys liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button like I said, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.